Baby Hermes found a shimmering cloak. Invisibility achieved. He vanished. Aphrodite blinked. Where'd Hermes go? Crash! A fruit pie flew into Zeus. Splat! A whoopee cushion on Athena's throne. Zeus roared, Hermes! Hermes giggled, invisibly. But then, hic! His body shimmered for a second. Aphrodite squinted. He hiccups when he laughs. Hermes froze. Another HIC, his foot appeared. Zeus smirked. Gotcha. He tossed a net. Caught! Hermes laughed from inside. I regret nothing. Poseidon handed him a bell. Just ring if you're invisible again. Hermes smiled, then vanished again.